What's up, girlies, and welcome back. I'm back coming to y'all with another good old unboxing. And this unboxing is coming from GHair, 100% virgin human hair. This is the box that it came in, right along with the FedEx package that's over there, but that's not important. Let's jump straight into it. So this is the box. It comes with a cute little satin bag that says GHair and their little logo. That's cute. And it also comes with a telephone number and an address to, I'm guessing, a warehouse that they have in New York. So there's that. And then it also came with a pair of cute lashes. Let me open these up so y'all can see them. Okay, these are the lashes. These are cute. I will most definitely wear these. These are really cute. I like how they flare out at the end. And then it also came with a pack of the regular hair nets. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the wig out so we can take a look at that. Okay. Okay, y'all. I think she's supposed to be like maybe 22 inches long. She's giving the girls very much silk, very much body. Y'all, for real though, this is some nice hair for real. No strands. One there. That's fine. But y'all, look at it. Look at that body. Body, or whatever. Okay. And the lace, y'all, the lace is impeccable, though, for real. I'm saying this, out of the few companies that I've worked with and dealt with, baby, this legit is some of the best lace, like, literally, I've ever seen. And you can always tell your lace gonna be real, real good, baby, when it snare up like that at the end. Get into it. Look at that, you all. The knots need a little bleaching, but that's regular for when you get a new wig. I mean, girl. Look at the lace. Tell me where it's at. Point it out. But no, y'all, for real. So this is the construction of the inside of the cap. It comes with a stretchy band for the glueless method so that it holds the wig down. And then it's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. As y'all can see from ear to ear, 4 inches back. That's the good old construction of the cap. And then this lace, I never understood that lace at the bottom, but it's there. But okay, y'all. I'm going to put on my stocking cap, and I'll be right back. Okay, you all, I'm back with my good old cap. And now we about to try her on and see what she giving. Look at the little cap. You all see that? Get into it. Okay. So let's get into the specs of it. For one, it's the softest hair I've ever worked with. For two, baby, the lace is everything. As soon as I bleach the knots, baby, what? Tell me where it starts and where it ends. So, anyways, the customer service from GHair was absolutely great. They worked with me, met my needs, and baby responded very fastly. The response time is very quick. They don't make you wait all day. Like, it's very quick, and they work with you. Like, they're a good company. The delivery time was great. I want to say I received the wig in like 3 days. I ordered it one day and I got it in like 3 days, y'all. For real, like 3 days, literally. So I'm telling y'all, shop GHair, baby. Y'all hit up GHair, see what they serving, see what they got for y'all. Cause baby, when I tell y'all, the best seller. And it's straight out the pig. Straight out the pig. And I'm living for it already, and I ain't did nothing. But y'all, I will be doing an install video for this wig, so I will be posting that very soon. So y'all, I'll keep y'all updated. Stay tuned. Shop GHair, baby, and I'll be back with another one.